Welcome all. This video today is actually in response to a subscriber of ours who really enjoyed our videos, and we're pleased that he does, and you all do. But he asked, besides just seeing the video of all these beautiful cars, if perhaps we could show what they look like under the bonnet. So we clean up all our cars under the bonnet in addition to the restoration. Here is the 69 Silver Shadow, and you can see how lovely it looks underneath. The lighting here is not that good, so I'll move around to the other side. That's a little better. And as you can see, we are as meticulous under the hood as we are with every other aspect of the car. We keep them clean, we lightly restore, we don't over restore under the hood. We make sure they present nicely and clean, just as they would have from the factory. This is a 77 Shadow 2 with similar under bonnet treatment. You can see how clean and tidy that is. Some cars need very little, some need a decent amount. This 76 long wheelbase is a car that's very original, and we did very little under the hood. What you see here is predominantly original. A couple little things. You often see these shock towers the paint tends to peel off, so we clean and strip them and repaint them. So as you can see, that's very, very clean. And this is really how all Rolls-Royces should be maintained and presented. It's not only about maintenance, mechanical repairs, operational and external cosmetics, but you want, where the workhorse is, you want to show pride for your car, its clean condition, its presentation to be beautiful under the bonnet, just as it is with every other aspect of the car. All right, thanks again for joining us. This is the Park Ward Motor Museum. My name is Rod Sala, and if there's anything you ever need to ask, you can pop a question here on my YouTube channel, or you can simply contact us through my website, park-ward.com.